and welcome to Language Journeys, the podcast where we explore personal stories and experience of learning new language. I am your host, Oman, and today we have a special guest, Luvita and Deva, who recently completed a course in English. Welcome to the show, Luvita and Deva.
Yo man, thank you for having me.
It's great to have you here. So let's dive right in. What inspired you to take up an English course?
Well, I've always been fascinated by the English language. Growing up, I watched a lot of English movie and listened to English music, but I never really had the confidence to speak it in fluently. I wanted to improve my communication skill for the both personal and professional reason. So I decided to take a formal discourse.
That sounds like a solid motivation. Can you tell us a bit about the course you chose and why you selected it?
Sure, I enrolled in comprehensive English course offered by Language Center UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. The course was a mix of offline and online class, which was perfect to my schedule. I chose this course because it was well structured, covering everything from grammar and vocabulary to speaking and listening skill. Plus, it had excellent review from former students.
I feel very happy when I entered the English course because I was able to take the same class with my close friend.
It's always good to hear that a course is well received by others. What was your first day like?
The first day was quite nice for walking. I remember walking into the classroom and seeing people from various backgrounds, all with different level of English proficiency. The instructor, however, made everyone feel at ease. We started with introduction and some to ice-breaking activities which really help reduce the initial anxiety.
It's interesting how a welcoming environment can make such a difference. Were there, were there any particular challenge, challenge you faced during the course?
Absolutely, one of the biggest challenge was overcoming my fear of speaking in front of others. I was so worried about making mistakes and being judged. But as of course progressed, our instructor acknowledged us to participate actively, emphasizing that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. This helped me build my confidence gradually.
It's great to hear that you were able to overcome that fear. Were there any memorable moment or breakthroughs during your learning journeys?
Yes, several. One memorable moment was during a group discussion session. We were debating a topic, and I found myself articulating my thought more clearly and confidently than I ever had before. I feel Like a significant breakthrough, another highlight was when I start dreaming in English. It's a strange but exciting sign of immersion in the language.
Lots of memorable experience when my friend jokes and that can make me happy.
Dreaming in a new language is definitely a milestone. How did the course impact your daily life and work?
The impact was quite profound. At work, I felt more confidence during meetings and presentation. I was able to communicate more effectively with colleagues and clients from different countries. In my personal life, I started enjoying English books and movies even more, understanding them better. It also opened up new social opportunities as I could engage more comfortably in conversation with speaking friends.
It's wonderful to hear how the course enriched both your professional and personal life. Do you have any advice for our listeners who are considering taking up an English course?
Finally, first, don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of the learning process. Choose a course that fits your schedule and learning style. Engage actively in all activities and practice as much as you can outside the classroom. Finally, be be patient with yourself. Language learning is a journey, not a race.
Fantastic advice. Before we wrap up, is there anything else you like to share about your experience?
Just that learning English has been one of the most rewarding experience for me. It has opened up new opportunities and enriched my life in ways I hadn't anticipated. If if you are on the fence about learning a new language, I'd say go for it. It's challenging but incredible fulfilling.
The learning concept can be better and my friend can be more serious but relaxed in this course.
Thank you so much, Deva and Luvita, for sharing your inspiring journey with us today. It's been a pleasure hearing about your experience. And
Thank you, Oman.
It was great to be here and share this story.
that's our work for today episode of Language Journeys. If you enjoy this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new language. Goodbye.